खलको अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बस लास्ट डे है, कल हम जा रहे हैं दुबई और पापा इनको भी मुझे यूं यूं करके देख रहा है। ये देखिए मुंह कैसे बनाते हैं जब उस पे बैठे होते हैं ना, जब ये देख रहे होते हैं फेसबुक, मुंह ऐसे बनाए होते हैं, ऐसे लंबा किया होता है। मत हो गोरा हम वक्त सिंगा जोड़ करें। नाफे के घर आए हैं, नाफे की कंजर्वेटिव में बैठे हैं और बस नाफी कहती है बैठो और खान कहते हैं नहीं नहीं घर चलते हैं, कल सुबह घर से जाएंगे। नाफी कहती है यहाँ मेरे घर से चले जाओ, कहते हैं नहीं 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 बस कल आज अभी रुस्खत हो जाए कल जाएंगे। और मेरे दिल को कुछ हो रहा है। कुलाओ का गम की खुराक हुक्म। हाँ करो इंशाल्लाह इंशाल्लाह इनका पहले वीक we will be reunited again.
What you gonna go and get it for yourself?
हरी में तो वो खफा थी।
Amaya gave sister ice cream.
अफगान में मैं खाना खाती हूँ, मैं फिर ज़्यादा मीठा खाती हूँ। You want your stuff? Daddy cooking?
Sasa, come here, coffee.
Baby mango नहीं cooking.
Which one do you like?
You got the almond one?
No. No.
I like almond magnum.
No, I don't have almond.
But I can eat any food, especially when I'm upset. Conservative is on high typing, and Nafe one is on the floor, so it look really nice, mashallah. This is outhouse for.
Inshallah, when you come next time, the garden will be done.
Yeah.
And that's it. I think the garden's left, isn't it?
हरीम और अमाया के लिए आउट हाउस बनाया है। It's like a full house.
Yeah. I'm going to decorate the pergola though from the inside.
What's the point of decorating?
If he leaves me anything, he literally is like he does everything. Like he has to have the whole thing. I'm doing it like this. I'm doing it like
this. But he's doing it for you, innit?
I don't know. I don't really know.
What? So who is he doing?
I think he's doing it for himself. I feel like he thinks that he's doing an accomplishment that he's doing this and this. Because I remember he couldn't even put a
nail in.
He literally, you know, when I went to Pakistan, him, his father, and his brother. It was Amaya Arakotni.
Yeah, I remember.
It took 3 of them to put it together, and they still didn't do it right.
They still didn't do it. And I remember that was in your Birmingham house for ages.
No, in Pakistan.
But one thing was in your Birmingham house for ages, he couldn't do
that was the shoe rack. And then Saeed was laughing at him because the nails were literally sticking out. And now, mashallah, he did this floor. Papa approved it as well. Hey, what the hell?
But Amma and Hari is so dirty.
But you showed him, innit? I think he learns quick.
Yeah, okay.
He learned it like. But you're very good with DIY.
Very, very good. I'm a very, very good. I'm a very, very, very good. I good with किस्मत खान. So मैंने ये जो कारपेंट्री है ना, ये मैंने किस्मत खान से सीखी है। किस्मत खान के सर पे हर वक्त खड़ी रहती थी। हमारा कारपेंटर था पाकिस्तान में। एक दिन उसने मेरे किचन में आइलैंड खराब किया, मैं जोर जोर से रोने लग गई। मैंने कहा मेरा किचन खराब कर।
I thought you said it was Papa.
No. Papa literally said, let me do it, because I literally cried.
Is it?
I said, what you did to my kitchen?
In the DHA house now? Oh.
When we were doing kitchen, it was no Kismat Khan. It was the marble guy.
Okay.
Without our permission, he started putting the marble top.
Okay, that's weird.
And Kismat Khan gave him permission. So
Kismat Khan is actually a person. Mama calls Iqbal Kismat Khan, and I'm like, I never knew he was a real person.
Yeah. Because Iqbal always do
DIY stuff.
No DIY, carpentry. He loved woodwork. So I call him Kismat Khan.
If you ask him, he'd be like, I don't love it. I don't love it. He thinks he doesn't love anything. But he does enjoy it. But he shows off that he doesn't. I don't know what that is.
I don't know what Konawazi mean.
Well, it begins with the K word, which isn't good.
Anyway.
Is this a new vlog?
Yeah.
Oh.
I made so many vlogs since yesterday. I'm gonna edit it now before we leave for Dubai.
You're not leaving right now for edit it.
Edit it, push it to YouTube, and then whenever I got time, I just upload. I'm gonna upload it because I know when I'm with Sami don't like camera,
No, he doesn't.
so I'm not gonna take
And it's
out
really
my
messed up. Because not messed up. He used to literally. This guy took so many selfies in his pre-marriage stay. Not
Even in
pre-marriage,
toilet,
not
in
pre-marriage.
bathroom.
I think in his early 20s he just stopped, didn't it? No, he's 25. So what age did he stop? I think he did it for 2 years and that's it.
Well,
Yeah.
16, 17,
literally-
18,
Yeah,
he was bound.
yeah. And then he found
After
Islam.
18, he was strictly.
I don't know when he got really religious.
After Nya died in 2012. So how old was he?
By the way, I taught him how to read the Quran. He was quite old, but he learned it when he was young.
Then he
forgot it, and then I taught him. So every time he reads the Quran,
He changed when he saw my mum grave. That's it. He changed.
But
He was
yeah,
very
this
different.
guy took so many. Him and Malia were like that, and they used to take some. Did you tell them about?
No, I will show you one. He literally dressed like Dina.
Oh yeah. But that isn't a picture that he likes to show.
But I'm not gonna show
But
you that.
all the pictures he would pose, and he'd be like this.
So it's only Dina turban style, isn't it? He was very young, and we start knowing Dina, and she used to wear that turban style scarf, a big hump
It
scarf,
was massive. It was like
massive scarf, and he literally put a thing on, scarf on.
that was
and
in
take a
Sumayya's
picture.
house, isn't it? Memories.
वापस आके तुम लोगों के साथ ना अपनी पूरी एल्बम शेयर करोगे.
I thought you shared so many albums.
No, only your wedding and Sumaya wedding, but
I think Sumayya's wedding was the best. They were all good, but Sumayya's was
No.
the first one. Sumayya's was the best one.
all of you.
No, but Sumayya was number one because everyone was together.
Ah,
My auntie, my cousin,
everybody cool.
like not everyone, even my dad's side, even they came. So
Except your daddy.
yeah, she didn't. She came in the nikah though, didn't engagement.
Engagement, but I literally begged to her. She said, no, I'm not coming.
Oh, okay. Sad. And now she's travelled all the way to somewhere else.
America. Somebody told me yesterday. But she traveled to America for her grandson wedding.
Oh well, it was good for some, isn't it?
I was in wedding. Somebody started telling me all this. I said, I'm not interested. I said, don't tell me, please. I don't want to listen what's happening in their house. And when I give dua, the person gets shocked.
Oh yeah, you gave the line.
I give dua, I say, Allah unko khush rakhe, hame inko idhar khush rakhe. Why should I, you know? Why should I make myself bad in Allah's eyes?
Yeah.
It's good. Like one of my very good friend, she's suffering from stage 4 cancer, and she said, maybe it's Allah give me chance to do tawbah and do good until I'm alive. And I say, look, if we all think that way, then this dunya gonna be Jannah.
Yeah, but nobody thinks that way.
We only think when we know we go stage 4 and stage 5. Yeah. No, before that.
But they are good people.
But some
There has
people
to
are-
be really good people.
Look at Amna, Dr. Amna, how good she is, mashallah. She's amazing.
Yeah, her iman is really good.
Amna का ईमान बहुत जबरदस्त है.
She let
तो anyway, मगनम खत्म हो गया है.
No, it's quick, man.
अभी नमाज पढ़ेंगे.
Papa's
पापा मुझे
waiting.
जल्दी से
Papa's like,
ऐसे देख लेंगे.
Should we go?
Should we go?
You're like, should we go?
In Sumayya's house, you remember?
Oh my-
Sooner you say, okay, Mama, we can.
I
go."
swear, Speedy Gonzalez. I was like, okay, Mama, we should go. And then when I looked back, Papa was gone.
Papa was gone.
No,
He would change.
No, Papa was already in his yellow shirt and
Yeah.
his trousers. I was like, okay.
I said, Nephew, you just said it. And where's your father gone? He said, that's it. In 5 minutes, he was ready.
So how is
he
Papa
only
ready?
liked his own house.
But I think he likes being outside. No, he doesn't like being outside either.
No,
What about in Pakistan?
he don't like Pakistan. He love.
Is it outside? is it?
You know what? If you give him choice to live in Pakistan or UK, he will choose UK, Pakistan.
And what about when you go down people's houses? Does he like
Oh,
staying
he
there?
hates people's
No.
houses. He don't like. I told him once his cousins or something, they will keep inviting me. His name is Fazal Manan and thing. And I said, let's go to them. He said, no, it's okay. No.
Sumaya is a female version of my dad.
He literally like staying in the house or go driving, like long drive. We can go Islamabad, Lahore and things like that, or go to shopping center or go to food restaurant. He love restaurant, but not going to people's house. And he even don't like meeting people. Oh yeah, he only like meeting poor people. So if I say let's go for a charity trip, that's it. He ready. Yeah, he love it, and he love giving people. You know what? When he giving, he is the most happiest man. When he give. So I keep stopping him. Don't give cash. Don't give cash to people. We only buying stuff to people. But then, you know, he like 30,000 या कुछ कैश किया होगा ना, तो जब शाम को तुम देखो तो इसके पास पेनी नहीं होगी. Where is the money gone? Oh, I give it to this, and then he hide it from me because I keep telling him don't give cash to people. And you know what? When he take me for shopping, he say, "Oh, that person asks for shoes. That person asks."
So did you know,
And then
Mama?
I end up shouting to him. I say, "I come for shopping."
Do you know in Africa they're doing an app where they do it directly as cash
Kasam me.
to the poor people?
Kasam me.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll tell you as well. I think it's called Q.
Anyways, Maliha's there, and Maliha's doing a mini charity trip over there on her holiday. So she's telling people we will come as a mama welfare here in Tanzania.
Well, I don't think they need it in Tanzania. I think like Ghana and those.
Ghana
areas.
something. So she went places and she take literal videos. She told them, she promised them that I'm gonna bring my mama to you, and she was
And guys,
sharing to
mark my words, Africa is going to be one of the richest countries in the future.
because that's what Mr. Khan says. Mr. Khan says.
Mark
So
my words.
now
So if
you're
you wanna
gonna
invest-
you're gonna miss me? Eh? You're gonna miss me? I'm gonna miss you so much. And Sumaya, I'm gonna miss you so much. And Mali, I'm gonna miss you so much.
You're probably watching this while you're in Pakistan, anyway.
Yeah, I'm gonna be watching this
Hello,
vlog in
Ma.
my Pakistan, and I'm gonna be crying. Watch
Hi, Ma. I miss
every
you,
day.
Mama.
Every day I cry over
I
it.
love you, Mama.
I love you.
Make sure you do your videos, okay? Don't fight with Papa too much, okay, Mama?
I cry over it.
And
like
what else do I want to say?
at least
Mama,
one time a day.
try and lose a little bit of weight because you have a good right now, okay? And inshallah, I'll lose a bit of weight as
Aw.
well. And Mama, busqué de machare. Are you crying? What the hell is wrong with you? You're gonna miss us, guys. Oh, you're doing that lip thing that Harim does. It's okay. It's okay. You smell very nice. In 5 minutes, busqué machare, then you know.
Yeah. You know what? I like Pakistan, but I don't like. But you know like what? I like Pakistan, but I don't like Pakistan. I don't know.
I think this time we were all together for together.
we
innit?
always together.
No, I mean the summer holidays as well. The summer holidays went, didn't it? Usually, for some reason, you're always over there in the summer.
Yeah. No, actually, Papa was here for the first time.
Yeah.
We were all together as Papa was here.
I think, and for the first time as well, this time was Papa and Mama rekindling. So when they came, it was just like, you know.
You know what? It's so hard to leave your children behind and you go. I think when I go to Allah, I'll be crying as well. I'll be sad that my children left here in this dunya. Anyway, I'm really sad.
What Allah's telling you, bust this up, yeah?
Yeah, the battery's
Because the battery's
going.
going.
So inshallah, I'm gonna end this vlog here with my lovely Nafia. I'm gonna miss her so much. वो कहते हैं ना दिल मुंह को आ रहा है. When I say I'm gonna miss her too much.
वापस से
I'm gonna miss her. Anyway, see you in next vlog. Allah Hafiz. We'll take a photo.